Hi! We're gonna take a research and we're gonna turn it into a biography. A good biography includes a little about early life, focuses mostly on important contributions, and ends with what they'll be remembered for. Start by organizing your research into early life important events and what they'll be remembered to learn. This is a biography of Dr. Jose Rizal. For introduction, tell us who your biography is about, when and where they were born, and any interesting facts of your childhood, school years, or young adulthood. In the body of your biography, were paragraphs that address the important contributions your subject made to society. In your conclusion for us, when and where your subject died, or if they are still alive, tell us your most important events or which they will be remembered.